How to stop pop-up ads on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to stop pop-ups on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to stop pop-up ads on our iPhone, the first thing we need to do is open up the settings. Then in the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select apps. Once in the apps, I recommend just searching Safari or scrolling until you find Safari. So the first thing we're going to do is stop pop-up ads when you're using the Safari browser on your iPhone. So select Safari. Once in Safari, scroll down, and under General, you'll see Block Pop-ups. Go ahead and make sure that this is turned on. Once you've ensured that that's turned on, if you're still getting pop-ups, they might be coming from the Chrome browser. So if you're using the Chrome browser on your iPhone, go ahead and select Chrome, open it up. Then once in Chrome, in the bottom menu, select the three dots, and all you want to do is scroll to the right and select Settings. Once in the settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you'll see Content Settings, select that. And then all you need to do is select the first option for block pop-ups and toggle that on and select back. You've now saved that pop-up blocker within the Google Chrome browser. Now, if you're still getting pop-ups on your iPhone, scroll from right to left until you get to the app library. And then what I recommend doing is selecting app library and just searching through your apps for anything maybe you don't use often or you don't remember installing and removing it. There's a chance that the pop-ups might be coming from an app on your phone, so we can remove some apps and see if that fixes the issue. Now I'm just going to use Canva as an example, but to remove any of these apps, long press the little icon for the app and select Delete App, and then confirm you do want to delete the app by selecting Delete. Once it's removed, go ahead and reboot your iPhone by simply holding the power button and the volume up button at the same time and selecting Slide to Power Off. And once it turns off, hold down the power button until it turns back on, and hopefully any pop-ups are stopped after that. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.